It's here. Oh, look at this thing. Okay. Let's go to 4. Well, this is cool. This is, I forget the name of the hotel, 8 persons, 635 kilograms. Super slow. We'll just go up to 4. Might be a little, a residential elevator for that matter. Here's your cab view. Not too sure I installed this originally. It does look pretty okay. Might be a little, 2. Only 2? This thing is super slow. Look at that. But hey, tiny little thing. Got a capacity for its type. Hopefully. Three. Yeah, I think this might not be original. 3. But I like that, how that glass thing here is, it looks really nice. Okay, almost at 4. Any moment, 1,400 pounds as well. Just hold the handrail just in case. Stops suddenly. 4. Okay, hang on, any second. On 4. Oh. Cool. This thing's original. Can't really tell though. Back to the lobby. Not too bad. First type. Rather super slow. I think maybe Federal modernized this elevator. This is the Beverley Hotel. Now I remember. 3. I think Federal might have installed this. I'm not too sure if it's 100% original, but one of the staff here might. If the owner comes in, he'll know. But it still looks nice. I think maybe Federal might have plotted this. Well, if it's not original, this is a Federal. As you can tell by the fixtures and that kind of stuff. This is 2. I think this might be a residential elevator. Almost on the lobby. Gonna take centuries and centuries. So fun, but still looks really nice. I like it. First type, it's not too bad. Sorry, a lot of commentary, just blah 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 blah. Cause you know I'm a commentator. Okay, lobby, here we come. Here we are. Leveling. Okay, here we are. Hang on. Very interesting. It's not completely original though, but I think Federal might have, if it's not original, I think Federal might have modernized this, which is another elevator company. Anyways, thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too, thanks. Have a nice day, man.